Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SMC with Arewa. My name is Arewa. I welcome you to my channel. If you are new, kindly click on that subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, so you can come and check it out. Also, this is a Yoruba and English channel, so méjèèjì ni mo máa sọ pa ní ibi báyìí. Thank you so much for coming back here again. Don't forget to follow my two other channel, History with Arewa and Intimacy with Arewa, for any advert support, donation, or any discussion whatsoever. My contact is going to be down below in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it, lying around in the comment section area. Meanwhile, this is going to be a very quick one, so let's just get into it now. But before I go further, so based on èèyàn tèmi tí ẹ rí news kan nípa ìyẹn Toby Phillips, alleged side chick ìyẹn bàbá wa Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà. Ẹ wá ó dàpọ̀ blogger yẹn sọ wípé Toby the new wife pé àbúrò olórí Naomi pé wọ́n jọ jà, wọ́n jọ nọra wọn ní palace. Ẹ wá pè mí àwọn ìrà pé wọ́n rí kíní yẹn níbo mi ni, because many of you guys called me, and gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe dá yín lóhùn, even though one of you want me to come and say it on here so that many people will not digest the false news. Now the thing is, number one, Kábíyèsí himself gan Èkó ni wọ́n wà for the past 4-5 days báyìí, ìyẹn one. Number two, Toby Phillips gan ò tí wà palace yẹn láti bí she has not been to that palace in like January. Second, thirdly, olórí Naomi fúnra rẹ̀ ìyẹn ìyá Tadéníkáwò, she is not even in the palace, she is in Àkúrẹ́ bí 2 weeks plus báyìí wọ́n ti wà l'Àkúrẹ́. Toby ò tí wà palace láti bí January. Kábíyèsí gan kò tiẹ̀ sí palace gan, àwọn wà l'Ékòó ntí wọn gan. So for you to know wípé bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé many of you máa sọ wípé the bá rí news ń bẹ̀ mí, first to come and confirm that Arewa, what's up about your daddy, is it true? I really appreciate you guys. Ẹ kà mí kún náà ni. Anyways, òun mo ti sọ yẹn, kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé sími lórúkọ àbúrò olórí Naomi pé òun àti Toby Phillips wọ́n jọ nọra wọn ní palace, kò sí nǹkan kan tó jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. And then Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà bàbá wa is not married to Toby Phillips, kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. She's ká sọ pé side chick, alleged side chick àbí alleged girlfriend. She's not married to him, or is not married to her rather. Anyways, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ tiẹ̀ gbọ́ oríkì mo bá rí Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ tó ń kí bàbá wa Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà tó tún wá kí ìyẹn ọkọ olórí Naomi, ọkọ olórí Ashley. Àwọn èèyàn kan tiẹ̀ dá Ashley yẹn mọ̀ gan bó ṣe rí. Ẹ wò náà, ẹ wò. Based on popular demand, this is meet Ashley ayaba àbí kí ni jẹ́ nkúkú pẹ̀lú olórí Ashley, meet olórí Ashley. Ẹ kò digest àwọn picture olórí Ashley, ẹ digest ẹ yẹn olórí alleged olórí yẹn Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà wa cherry. Mo wá tún stumble across Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ tó ń kí Kábíyèsí, ẹ gbọ́. Ọkọ Naomi, ọkọ olórí Ashley náà lẹ ń wò yìí o. Ayéfẹ́lẹ́ ló kí bàbá bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọkọ Naomi, ọkọ olórí Ashley. Àbẹ́ẹ̀ rí pé ọmọ dà tán síbẹ̀. For those of you that don't know Ashley, this is her. Tẹ́bà dá ojú ẹ̀ mọ̀ òun lélẹ̀. Ẹ já move on. Moving on. Let's move on. Meanwhile, don't forget pé bóyá olórí is only olórí Ashley o. There's another ayaba, there's another olórí o. Ẹ gbàgbé o. Mi ò kàn tí fẹ́ gbé ìyẹn síta ni. Nítorí mo like woman, a very gentle woman. Very gentle woman. I really like her, I don't want to later mi ò fẹ́ gbé yẹn jáde báyìí. Meanwhile, I saw this video. I think it happened in Osun, where there's this rally going on. You know that yesterday at Bosijo Kejìbáyé yesterday. the rally of Oduduwa Republic that Chief Sunday Igboho and our brothers, they went for the rally. They went to the Ataoja in Osogbo, and the king has already supported the motion. He has Sorosoke like we all wanted. Everything was going smoothly. Later, I saw a new update from Mr. Koiki that the DSS are shooting at them in Ataoja's palace. And I'm like, how can DSS be shooting at you people in the palace? Oh, ṣe kàyéfì fún mi o. DSS a máa yìnbọn nínú palace tí bàbá lọ bá kábíyèsí fúnra rẹ̀ ńkọ́. Although if the video that they uploaded, me, I didn't hear any gunshot in there. But anyway, you're calling me Teveso. Then another video now surfaced again about a guy that is one of the DSS that he was sent to collect to write the plate number of the vehicle of Chief Igboho's vehicle. I mean, you guys will watch the video. I'm going to input it here. But before I do that, I want to just, because there's something that is not clear to me. Tell me, mo wonder wípé first off, I want to interview any. If you look at the interview or the people interrogating him, they were basically speaking to his mouth. One sort of silenu ni. And then once ọpọ fẹ́ wá call number Chief Igboho, once ọpọ ta ló ń jẹ́ Chief, kò tẹ́ mẹ́ni tó ń jẹ́ Igboho gan. Àbí tó kò mẹ́ni tó ń jẹ́ Chief gan. Like it sounds somehow. And then mo wá rò wípé gbogbo mọ́tò tí ẹni sùúrù wọn ní kó lọ kọ plate number mọ́tò Chief Olóyè Igboho ní rally tẹ́ tán lọ yẹn. It is a convoy of all these big voices. Kò ń ṣe pé bóyá Chief Olóyè Sunday Igboho gbé bóyá personal car wọn àbí one is one of personal car. It is bus ní gbogbo wọn kó lọ and is in convoy. And then if you are moving to Osogbo, there are lot of police department. Mo mean àwọn tó máa ń check road, àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó máa ń dúró sí ọ̀nà yẹn, wọ́n pọ̀ gan. So ká ní pé federal government àbí ìjọba ní the number plate number mọ́tò Igboho. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé kò kì í ṣe bí a personal car ní Igboho gbé lọ ọbẹ̀. Mo wá wonder wípé so gbogbo ọlọ́pàá tẹ́ pàdé lọ́nà kẹ́ tó dé Òṣogbo yẹn, àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn wọn ò lè ya photo plate number yẹn àbí wọn ò lè mú tó ṣe ń dá definitely tẹ́ bá ń travel, àwọn ọlọ́pàá máa wà lọ́nà tó máa dá driver lówó. Èmi máa kọ gba ẹ̀gúnjẹ lọ́wọ́ driver àbí kémi gba park let me see kíní kan, things like that. And then since all the rally that they've been going to, ọlọ́pàá máa ń dá wọn dúró lọ́nà náà tó ń dẹ̀ máa ń jẹ́ kán máa lọ tó ní sí wàhálà kankan. So tó wáyé pé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wá ní the plate number náà mọ́tò Chief Olóyè, ẹjọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n pàdé lọ́nà kan tó dé Òṣogbo tó ń lọ yẹn, àwọn èèyàn ò lè mú nọ́mbà lẹ̀, wọ́n ní láti rányàn lọ kó lọ tó lọ mú nọ́mbà. Ìyẹn number 1 tó yé mi o. Then number 2 is the same government that gave Chief Olóyè Sunday Igboho a plate number now is sending somebody to go and write the same plate number. I find that to be I don't know. I don't want to say it's propaganda because I find it kind of funny. Kò yé mi ni mo ṣe ní kí n béèrè. I stand to be corrected, but it sounded somehow to me. Why would the government need this plate number? The same government that gave him a plate number need to send somebody again to go and be writing the plate number? And the person does not have a phone to actually take a picture of the plate number. He need to be writing it down. I don't get it. In the midst of over thousands of people that are there, ló fẹ́ máa mú nọ́mbà kan nọ́mbà. Ẹ̀mí pé kò lè dúró sí kọ́nà kan níbi kan kókó máa fojú wo nọ́mbà yẹn. Kó dẹ̀ tẹ̀ sórí fóònù ẹ̀ ó ní láti gbé ìwé àti Paris kó máa kọ́ lẹ̀. Àárín yẹn ò yé èmi ní ẹ má bínú ó ṣe bá kọ sí mi ní o. Ẹ tó bá mi gba ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ wo fídíò yẹn náà. Bàbá Tinubu gan tún wá dé nẹ́ẹ̀tì sórí. Ìyẹn ò yé èmi o.
Ẹni DSS ló rán iṣẹ́ àbí talẹ̀ ló rán iṣẹ́. Now ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ sọ fún mi sínsìn pé ẹ̀yin lẹ rọra yín iṣẹ́.
Wọ́n ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ló rán wọn iṣẹ́.
Ìyá ẹ má dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ́. Ta ló rán iṣẹ́? Ta ló rán iṣẹ́? What's your name?
Ṣeun Ọláyínká.
Okay. Àtìgbà ọlẹ tí ń bá DSS ṣiṣẹ́. Ọdún mẹ́fà. Ibo lẹ ń gbé?
Òṣogbo mò ń gbé.
Òṣogbo. Kí lẹ wá ṣe ní? Kí lẹ wá ṣe ní ibi tá ti ń ṣe rally lẹ́ni? Kí lẹ wá ṣe ń bẹ̀?
Ẹ wá darapọ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe, mo dẹ̀ wá wo nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń bẹ̀.
Ẹ wá darapọ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ṣé ọmọ Yorùbá nation ní ilẹ̀ ṣe wá darapọ̀ mọ́ wa?
Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí náà.
Kí lẹ wá ṣe ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n wá fi rí yín? Kí lẹ ń ṣe tún fi rí yín? Kí lẹ ń ṣe tún fi rí yín?
Mo fẹ́ mú wo nọ́mbà mọ́tò yín.
Gbogbo nọ́mbà mọ́tò wa.
Nọ́mbà mọ́tò ilé yìí.
ẹ fẹ́ mú nọ́mbà mọ́tò eléyìí for what reason àbí mọ́tò chief lẹ fẹ́ mú àbí wo ti chief ok o sí Nàìjíríà o dẹ̀ sí ìyẹn àwọn onímọ̀jà.
mo nọ́mbà tí wọ́n náà Chief Oyèbó is a now. He's a nationalist.
Kílẹ̀ wá okay kílẹ̀ ṣe tí wọ́n fi mú yín why are you here why are you here kílẹ̀ ṣe tó fi gba fóònù yín tó fi mú yín kílẹ̀ ṣe.
wọ́n ní mò ń kọ nọ́mbà mọ́tò sílẹ̀.
mo ní abẹ́ nǹkan kílẹ̀ sọ.
mo kọ nọ́mbà mọ́tò sílẹ̀.
nítorí kíni dì ẹ sọ di tẹ́fi kọ́.
ṣe assignment tó gbé fún yín nìyí.
ọ́fíìsì ló ní kó kọ́ wa.
ọ́fíìsì kékeré fẹ́ fi ṣe.
ṣé state lẹ ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún ni àbí
federal. So ìgbà tí wọ́n ní pé kí ẹ kọ ẹni so ìgbà tí wọ́n ní pé kẹ́ kọ nọ́mbà mọ́tò ẹ dúró excuse me ìgbà tí wọ́n ní kẹ́ kọ nọ́mbà mọ́tò ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé excuse ẹ mọ̀ pé ìjà tá à ń jà okun ẹ̀yìn náà ní abẹ́ ń ṣe Yorùbá ni ọmọ ìlú wo ni yín so ìgbà tí wọ́n rọ eyín níṣẹ́ ẹrú wá fi brain ni lè fi brain yín kẹ́ fi mọ nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ni wá ń kọ nọ́mbà mọ́tò ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn alálẹ̀ àwọn òrìṣà wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú wa gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú wa wọ́n bínú sí yín báyìí alálẹ̀ máa mú yín.
Ọlọ́run tó ṣẹ̀dá wa
ó ti mú yín ọ̀rẹ́
wà pẹ̀lú wa.
Mr. Kílẹ̀ korúkọ yín ṣéun kíni Ọláyínká ṣéun Ọláyínká àwọn alálẹ̀ máa dájọ́ fún ẹ.
ẹ má bínú o bá a ṣe moving on báyìí èmi rí fọ́tò ìyẹn Mr. Tinubu. I saw another photo of Mr. Tinubu again. And I'm like, is this not hairnet on his head? Ṣé bàbá tún wọ hairnet sùn ní láì ṣe obìnrin? Àbí does he have hair? Is this not net? You know, net that, we ladies that we, that the women actually wear when they want to go to bed. Àbí shower cap when they want to go to, take a shower so that water will not spoil their weave-on. And I'm like, did this Mr. Tinubu Abi Sean wore wig sórí ni? Does he use wig? Abi I don't understand because he normally carry on now. So which one is net that is using? Because it is obvious that these people went to greet him maybe early in the morning, maybe just waking up from bed, or maybe casually in the house in the morning. So this is hair net on his head. So definitely ofi net is sunny. Abi shower, or maybe let me say shower cap. And I'm like, what is happening? Why is he using shower cap? Why is he wearing net?